everyone check here what is written: atomic structure and radioactivity. Rafsan, I told
Yes.
you, Rafsan and Farhan both, I told you to read the notes, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So have you read it?
Yes, sir.
Atoms,
How much? How
ions.
much you read?
This is the proton number. Let
How
me see.
much you read?
মোটামুটি স্যার একটু ভালো
I
পড়ছি,
should
মানে
open
27
my.
পেজ
These are
যাই নাই।
these are very simple ideas we got in O level,
হ্যাঁ
right?
হ্যাঁ
O
স্যার।
level and IGCSE
ইয়েস
we
স্যার।
got what are called
Sir,
isotopes.
so in the top, what is written here? Like proton number, atomic number,
Yeah,
oh,
proton
nucleon
number.
number. Oh,
Yeah,
that means
proton
these are
number.
all familiar things.
Yeah. So nucleon number means
Mass number,
mass number,
number of proton plus number of neutron,
and they are called nucleons. Why? Because they are
because
staying
they are
in
found in
nucleus.
nucleus.
Yes. So proton and neutron, they both are called nucleons.
So next, yeah, notation. So we also know this. In case of ion, we should write the charge at the, yeah, right top corner.
Yes. If
In
there
case
is
of
any
ion,
ion, positive or negative, then isotopes, right?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Yeah, what is isotope, Farhan?
isotope we know.
The same mass number but different proton numbers.
Sure.
Oh my God.
Same
আমি
number of,
উল্টাটা বললাম।
you just opposite, huh? He's
ও
testing
আচ্ছা,
you.
সেম নাম্বার অফ প্রোটন বাট ডিফারেন্ট নাম্বার অফ নিউট্রন।
He's testing us, right?
এটা স্যার ওই দিনের ওই যে গ্র্যাভিটেশনাল ফিল্ড স্ট্রেংথের মতো হয়ে গেছে 8.91।
Oh,
Alpha particle, beta particle, gamma radiation.
alpha
So you
particles,
said that
beta
it is better
particles.
to call alpha and beta as emission, not radiation.
Hmm. Yes, this is very important thing. Alpha, beta, these are called particles, and gamma is radiation. Okay,
Yes.
gamma is,
Electromagnetic radiation in form
yeah.
of photon.
There are some properties of alpha, beta, and gamma. So, can you read from here alpha particles?
Yes, alpha particles, and alpha particle is identical to the nucleus of a helium atom. An alpha particle,
Yes, yes,
because
an alpha
starting with
particle.
vowel, is written as, yes. We can also write the Greek letter alpha as well instead of he.
Yes, yes.
Then there is one thing. Yeah, the energy will come out in form of gamma.
Yes. Then this energy, how does it come? You will know it more detail in A2, A level. Okay.
ওকে।
You have to.
And yeah, weak
There we
nuclear
have
force. Do we
mass
have?
defect, right? Binding
Yes.
energy.
E is equal
From
to
there, this energy
mc
is
squared.
coming. E equals mc square, right? Favorite equation of
Yes.
Rafsan. Okay, Rafsan. Then we get here.
I am asking that, do we have, yeah, weak nuclear force?
Yes, weak nuclear force we need in beta emissions.
Yes. So next.
So here we have one equation. You have to be very much familiar with this type of notations, that if you have uranium 234, then 92 atomic
Thorium.
number, then thorium you are getting. In your question, they will not give you 230 or 90, they will just give you helium, right?
We have to fill up.
You have to fill up the blank. So this thing you have to
Yes.
remember how we are doing it. See, the mass number is 234. So if here is 4, then thorium will be 230.
We
If
are just
helium is
recalling O
2,
level.
then thorium will be 90. This way it works. Okay.
Uh, just recalling O level.
Yeah, just recalling O level. Now beta particles. Yeah, Farhan, continue.
Yes, sir.
Beta particles.
Beta particles are fast-moving electrons or positrons.
Yeah, if it is electrons, then we say B minus, beta minus. Okay, and if it
Yes, sir.
is
Yes.
positron, then it is B plus. Okay, beta
B
plus.
plus.
Is
Yes,
it
sir.
Uh,
clear?
so yeah, from lead to bismuth
Hmm.
we are getting
So
in the equation.
these two
Then phosphorus to
equations,
silicon.
yeah, these two equations, you see, one is lead, right?
Yes,
Lead
sir.
214, we are getting bismuth
Hmm.
214.
Okay. Two isotopes.
Yeah, then from lead, we are having here bismuth, its atomic number increases by 1. Atomic number increases by 1.
Okay.
That
So we
means
are getting
there
some
is one
also. Yeah.
proton more. One proton more. Proton
Yes.
is positive, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we are having one more positive. If you want to make the equation balanced, then you should have another negative, right? That's coming in
Yes.
beta minus, electron,
Yes.
minus 1, 0. Then you check the equation is balanced. Then
And
when you are
also we are
getting,
getting some new particles
yeah, that is
like antineutrino, neutrino,
anti-neutrino. That is new particle, and this symbol is new,
Greek letter
Greek letter
looking
new.
like V.
And here we have no mass number, no atomic number. And this one is anti-neutrino, so there is one bar over there, right? Above the
Yes. For
new, there is
anti,
a bar that's showing this is anti-neutrino.
antiparticles, antimatter.
So in your physics copy, you may write it, this equation, because the previous things you got, those are familiar with you. But
I I want to write down, yeah, the decay equation.
yeah, you write it because it is new for you, beta particles emission. So that you can be familiar with it. And if you get this type of equation and in your questions, then you can easily recall it. Okay.
Hmm.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So here we have
So may I
phosphorus,
write
right?
down the alpha one also, just for, yeah,
Yeah.
for
You want to write
completeness?
alpha one also?
Yes.
Okay, right.
This will be a formality.
Yeah. Farhan, are you writing?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Write
sir.
topic name, topic 26. Then it
Okay,
is
sir.
atomic and nuclear physics. You see, particle
Okay,
and
sir.
nuclear
Sir,
physics. According to your book, it is particle
can
and nuclear
can you
physics.
mail me your personal email address,
Personal?
sir?
Why?
Email address?
Why?
স্যার আপনাকে একটা মেইল পাঠাবো
Now you
মানে
want to
পাঠিয়ে
see,
দিছি ওই যে জাস্ট আপনার ইমেল অ্যাড্রেসটা বসাইলেই শেষ
you can
So
send
this
in
is
the coaching
uranium
one, coaching
234.
one. Physics Mania BD, physicsmania.bd@gmail.com.
স্যার আপনারটা কি ডিইউ shajahan@yahoo.com
You send in coaching one, no problem. Physics
স্যার ওটা
Mania,
আসানের মেইলটা
no problem. You send in coaching one. No, don't worry. As it is coaching matter, you send in coaching. email. No problem.
Okay.
So, so
physicsmania.bd@gmail.com.
Yes, yes, that one.
sir, so we have here uranium 234.
Uranium 234 you have, right?
This
And
sir, what is the meaning of the word nucleide?
okay, new nuclide means it's the only showing you the nucleus's structure. Okay,
Oh,
nuclide, not the whole atom. It's only showing you the structure of nucleus. That is called nuclide notation.
so I can also write here gamma, the letter gamma instead of energy.
Yeah.
Very good.
So Farhan, you wrote it. Alpha
Yes, sir.
particle emission
হ্যাঁ
equation.
স্যার আলফা পার্টিকেলটা এখন বিটা পার্টিকেল লিখতে হবে।
Now beta.
And now you write about beta particle. And when you are writing, you just try to understand how it's happening, right? So the second
Yes, sir.
equation, you see there is phosphorus. We have atomic number 15, and now atomic number is decreasing. It is coming 14. So 14 means one proton or one positive power is less, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why positron, we are getting beta positive, that is called positron. So here we are getting 1 plus 1. This plus 1 and 14 makes 15. So equation is balanced. And when it is positron, we have here neutrino. There is no bar over the neo sign. You
That
see
means
Greek
the
letter
normal
neo?
particle.
Yeah. Then it is neutrino, and the previous one was antineutrino, opposite of neutrino. Now,
So
how?
a property of yeah beta decay is, yeah, the mass number will not change.
Yeah, for both
Okay.
positron and electron, we are getting
Electron.
the mass number remains same, but in beta minus, we are getting atomic number increased, and beta plus, we are getting atomic number decreased.
Decrease.
Uh,
স্যার ঈদের আগে একদিন আসেন।
We will try to come. Of course, we'll try to come. You just wait with patience. We must come, inshallah. As we are giving rent of the office, we should go there.
We
And
have
we
to
should,
come.
yeah, we should utilize it. At least we should uh, take the rhine of our office, right?
অবশ্যই স্যার।
Yeah,
yes,
so that
yes.
we can own
Sir,
it.
I have
অবশ্যই।
sir, I have written, yeah, the yeah, lead, what the phosphorus.
You
Sir,
want to
Very
write
good.
also phosphorus one?
bismuth plus electron, yes,
Yeah,
because yeah,
yeah.
there are
Please
two
write. It is very
types of
important.
uh, emission. Bismuth plus electron plus antineutrino, so three particles. In O level we learned only two particles. In we are we once it so
Yeah,
silicon, then positron. So
alhamdulillah.
I think it is better to give the plus sign as well in front
Yeah,
of
you
one.
can give plus sign. If there is no sign, that means plus.
Uh,
আর আমি ক্লাসে নাই
Yeah,
ওনার মেসেজ লিখলেন আমাকে এই জন্য
yeah, you take the notes. For both
হ্যাঁ
of you,
স্যার
I'm
ওটা কি
writing. For both of you, I'm
ও
writing. Take the notes. Huh?
then just yeah, one neutron, then it is becoming one proton,
Yeah, you see,
one
it's very nice thing to understand how the beta emission, beta minus emission, here we are getting one atomic number increased, but the mass number same. Again, beta plus emission, how we are getting one atomic number decreased, but the mass number same. That one is very important to understand, right? So you see
ইয়েস
here,
স্যার
we have in beta minus emission, what happens? This is actually happening due to strong force. Oh, this is actually happening for weak force, weak nuclear force. Okay, if there is any imbalance in number of protons and neutrons in one nucleus, then there is one force working in the nucleus which wants to balance the number of protons and neutrons as much as possible. And due to that reason, we are getting beta minus emission, beta plus emission. So when number of neutrons are more, number of protons are less, that time we are getting beta minus emission. The neutron, extra neutrons, they are breaking down and they are creating proton and electrons. Is it clear?
ওকে
Hello?
ইয়েস স্যার ইয়েস স্যার
So
yeah.
this one uh, making us one atomic number increased. If you are getting one proton after breaking one neutron, that means you have one more proton, right? So one more proton means one atomic number increased. It is different element now.
ওকে
Hmm.
For each of the proton changed, we have different
Different 11
elements. If you have
because proton
increased,
defines
yeah,
the
if
element.
you have increased or decreased the proton number, that means your element is changed, right?
ইয়েস স্যার
Yes,
Isn't it?
that means uh, uh, yeah, from carbon 14, if any decay happens, then it will become nitrogen.
Yes, yes. So here also we got the example, like the first one we got lead at the beginning, right? So there is beta
ইয়েস
emission,
স্যার
Yes,
beta minus emission, and then one atomic number increased, we got bismuth, isn't it?
ইয়েস স্যার
yes,
So here you see the mass number. Why the mass number remains same? Because mass number means number of nucleons. We had one
ওকে
neutron less here, but one proton increase. So our nucleon numbers are same. That's why
আচ্ছা
the mass number is same. Next time when I'll ask you that in beta minus emission, why the mass number is same, you should explain. Why the atomic number increased, you should explain, right? Isn't it?
with the help of equation.
Yeah, with the help of equation, or equation will take your help. That
বুঝলাম
means you will make the equation. Okay. Okay, now
So sir, So in case of alpha decay, we are getting two particles, and in case of beta decay, we are getting three particles. So summary.
I'm not getting you. In alpha particles, what you are getting?
We are in alpha decay, we are getting two particles, and in beta decay, we are getting three particles. My observation.
Oh,
Your observation.
yeah, yeah.
That's
Actually, those we are getting in alpha, like thorium, uranium. You are saying particles.
Yes, I am calling them also particles.
Okay, okay. Then, if you say them particle, then we are getting three particles. Actually, they are elements, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
I am just saying resulting particle, not
yeah.
yeah,
You
starting
are saying
particle.
like yeah. If you think only the nucleus, then it is like particle. Okay. Now, beta plus emission, just opposite, right? Proton breaks down to get neutron and positron.
Yes,
So
okay.
if you are getting neutron, that means you are losing one proton. So atomic number decreased by one. You are getting here 14. You see, it was 15, phosphorus 15, now silicon 14. Okay,
yes,
Okay.
and here we have mass number same as well. Why? Because you see here nucleon proton is decreased, but another nucleon neutron is increased. So balance, right? Mass number remains same.
Yes.
kinetic energy of subatomic particles.
Okay, read it.
The energies
Afsan.
in nuclear reactions are very small compared to joule. This is why it is measured in electron volt.
Yes, this is also
One,
new idea for you. In O level or IGCSE, you did not use this electron volt idea, but now you are getting electron volt. Electron volt, why we are using?
because it is
Because
very small.
in molecular level or atomic level, the energy we are getting that is very small. If you are taking joule, it's a
Uh,
very big unit. That's why
mm,
we are taking the unit in electron volt. So
yes,
how electron volt and the work done are same, we are getting the idea from this equation. You know this formula from your O level,
mm,
that is voltage or potential difference equals work done by charge. So here we get work done equals voltage into charge. Okay, so
yes,
voltage we are measuring in volt, right? And charge we are
yes,
measuring in
Yes,
coulomb.
sir.
So here we have one electron volt. Electron means the charge of electron that will come in
yes.
coulomb, right?
Multiplied with
1.602 into 10 to the power 19 coulomb, and volt here 1 volt. So 1 electron volt means
sir.
1.602 into 10 to the minus
Someone
19
is calling me.
volts.
Let me see.
Who?
Sir, someone is calling me.
Someone is calling you.
Someone.
Yeah, continue this one. Examples. Rafsan, continue this.
Yeah. So electron volt, I know the idea. So we have 3 units of yeah, 4 units of yeah, I know of energy. Four
Yeah.
units.
What are the units?
SI unit is SI unit is joule. In case
Mhm,
of food, we use calorie, and we
mhm.
in case of yeah electrical energy of yeah domestic purpose, we use kilowatt hour. Now
Yes.
in
কঠিন
this
জিনিস স্যার
particle
এগুলা।
physics, we have electron volt.
Okay. So Farhan, you got it?
স্যার
That,
আরেকবার একটু বুঝাবেন স্যার?
yeah. Rafsan, can you say again what you said?
So SI unit is joule. This is the unit we use most commonly in physics. In case of food, we use calorie. In case of domestic purpose, electrical energy.
Like
We use
calorie, every day when we are calculating the energy we are taking from food, that is measured in calorie,
yes,
right? Or we are burning the
yes,
energy,
Yes,
we
sir.
are calculating in calorie. That is actually
yes,
British uh, British calculation system of energy, right? Calorie, isn't it? Hello?
Okay.
yeah. This is still used for food,
Yeah, still
but
used for
most
food.
cases joule is used.
Yeah. And
In case of domestic purpose, electrical energy
hmm,
measuring, we use kilowatt hour.
yeah, actually it comes from watt second. You know, power equals work done by time, right? So your work done will be power multiplied by time. So power we calculate in watt and time we calculate in second. In domestic purpose, we use lots of watt and lots of seconds. That's why watt is converted to
Yes,
kilowatt and second is converted to hour. That comes kilowatt hour. Is it clear now, Farhan? Hello,
and now we are getting also
Farhan?
electron volt, the final one.
Farhan, have you got it now?
Uh, uh,
Hello, Farhan.
I think he become
Yes, sir.
Have you
Hello.
got it? Our discussion.
স্যার আরেকবার একটু দেখাবেন?
Where you been? Where did you go?
স্যার ওই একটু হয়ে গেছিল স্যার, মানে নেটওয়ার্ক একটু ইস্যু হয়ে গেছিল, ফোনের
Okay,
সাথে
you
কানেক্ট
and,
হলো।
rejoin.
and also
You
our
rejoin.
meeting.
Rejoin
Yes,
after
rejoin.
6 minutes.
6 minutes, okay স্যার।
Yeah.